thutha wa kambuni ya ndege ya Kenya Airways kuheo gikiro kia C1 kana category 1 mweri-ini wa keri. Umuthi minista wa ukui bururi-ini James Macharia ni athiururukirio ceceni itiganite kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta na muoroto munene uri kwionera na gwikira wira ni manegi yake na gikiro kiria kiagereire.
You recall in 09 we had Delta Airlines who had been licensed to fly into Nairobi directly and to fly back to the US. For KQ, applications have been made as appropriate, as required, to fly to the US. But they need two things. Number one, they require to apply for traffic rights to fly to the airspace of the US. That is done through the Department of Transport, which is the equivalent of the Minister of Transport.
Hindi ya icera riu Macharia ni atetirithirie bata wa ugitiri hamwe na ugathiki wa mashini cia kiriu iria ikoragwo kiharo-ini kiu kia ndege.
Even I am in charge of this airport. I have to go through this. The MD himself, he is in charge of this airport. He must go through it. So even my fellow ministers, everybody who goes through this airport, this without exception must be followed without any exception.
Kwa ihinda riri gicukiro gia Terminal 1A na Terminal 1B ni irikitie kurika haria ihuthitie thabari cia athii tondu riu gutiri koragwo na mutukano wa aria maratuma thabari na aria maromba kuma thi cia nja. Oho Macharia ni atetirithirie bata wa kuhaicio gwa gikiro gia kambuni ya Kenya Airways kuri bururi.
This thing is something which will make Kenya really the place to be in terms of investment, in terms of tourists, coming to Africa, coming here because we have now a direct link to go to the beaches in Mombasa through Madaraka Express.
Riu maundu mothe marika thabari ya mbere ya ndege kuma guku bururi-ini nginyagia bururi wa Amerika igakura mweri wa kana mwaka ukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV wonjoria njitagwo Jenga wa Wambui.